Hello everyone, today we're going to have a go at making a nature collage. In your packs this week there'll be a little sheet explaining what to do, and I just thought, do you know what, I'm going to have a go. So let's see what I might need. I've got some tissue paper and some glue, and I've got some white paint, some blue, yellow and pink, some cotton wool, some twigs from the garden and some leaves. Right, let's have a go. So first of all, I'm going to put some paper along the bottom. Are we ready? Plenty of glue, and then I think I will put some dark blue at the bottom. So I'm going to tear it and stick it on. It doesn't matter if it's not on straight, because I want it to look like the fields and the hills. There we go. Right, now I'm going to get another colour. I think I might put some light blue next. Just tear it, doesn't matter if it's not neat or straight. Whoops, I might put a little bit more there. Perfect. Now I might put a little bit of pink on. Some more glue, get some pink. Just going to put a little bit on. Just across the top. Now I might just put a few lines on to make it look like a field, just like that. And I might put a little bit more on top. There we go. That's it. Right, now I'm going to get my paint to paint a sky. So I'm going to start off with some yellow and pink. And I've put some water in the paint, make it nice and thin. I'm just going to paint some on. And I'm going to get some pink. Across, and there, a little bit of glue just across the top. We can make the colours blend in. Put a little bit of blue across. There we go. Nice sky. Let's put some clouds on. So I just get my brush, a little bit of white paint, and I just dab it on where I think there might be some clouds. Right, now I'm going to add some trees. So I've got a stick in my garden. I'm just going to put a tree there, just at the side. Stick it on. I might need some stronger glue. I'll just use this for now. And I've got some card, and I've cut out a little tree shape, so I'm going to stick that on top of the hill. I'm going to add that there, and I might put some leaves this corner because that looks a bit like a tree, that leaf. I'm going to put that there. And I might put one next to this tree here. There we go, just down here. And then I think I need some sheep in the field, so I'm just going to get a little bit of cotton wool, just little tiny bits so they look tiny. I put one here, and I think he needs a friend down here, and one more over here. Put him on. Right, stick him there. I'm going to get my pen and I'm going to give them some legs. A little tail and a little face. 1, 2. I think I need another cloud up here. Are we ready? Right, here is my collage. Are we ready? Can you see? Can you have a go at making one at home? And could you send me a photograph? Thank you. Take care. Bye.